All right, today we are reviewing Play, Meet Play, the most powerful tool for designing mobile apps. Bring product ideas to life, and reduce dev time. I think, logo's good, navigation is good. I like that they have a use cases situation. But yeah, Meet Play, the most powerful tool for designing iOS apps, I think would be even a better headline. Because mobile apps, you leave that room for, well, is it iOS or is it? Because I think this is just for iOS, right? And then the subheadline is a little weak. Bring product ideas to life and reduce dev time. They kind of hint at it, but I would just do feature showcase of all, all the features. Uh, like something like, leverage design, the design editor with variables, conditions, prefabs, and generate the code, the Swift code to match using native, whatever. Like actually give like a flourish, like all the features. It would be a better sub-headline. Let's see what they got here.
Hi, everyone. Today we're excited to launch Play 2.0, featuring an entirely new way to design interactions for mobile apps. Play
Oh,
Hi, everyone. Today we're excited to launch Play 2.0, featuring an entirely new way to design interactions for mobile apps. Play 2.0 features variables, conditions, a new expression editor, features like timers and loops, delay and animation blocks, new triggers and actions, and something incredible we're calling prefabs. Let's check out what's new in Play 2.0. Let's start with prefabs, my favorite update in 2.0. Prefabs are a prefabricated, ready-made interaction for you to use in your projects. Search
good.
for it, drag it to your page, and it works like magic. The whole idea behind prefabs is to make it easy and fast to add incredible interactions to your designs
Okay.
without having to create them from scratch every time. If you want to create things like a
Okay.
dynamic header or drag and drop an object around the page, all that can be done in a matter of seconds. When the
Hi.
prefab is added, it will appear as a blue node with the prefab controls visible. You can use the prefab controls to easily customize different properties of the interaction and test out how it feels. If you want to see
Amazing.
under the hood, just unlock the prefab and it will expose the entire interaction for you.
Amazing.
Conditions are the primary way to use logic in Play. They let you use a trigger to fire different actions in different circumstances using an if statement. For example, you can check if a user has selected at least 4 artists to enable the continue button and go to the next step. You can also
Good.
use trigger properties in your conditions to change the header as the user scrolls.
Crust.
Play 2.0 introduces variables. You can now create Boolean, string, and number variables. You can use variables for so many things. In this example, a user adds an item to their cart using a stepper. If they add 3 or more, a discount is applied to the price of each item. This is all done by combining variable events that listen for a value change, conditions, and the set variable action that allows you to update the value of any variable at any given point. You can also surface the value of any variable throughout your project. For example, to ask the user for details and then surface that information at other points in the experience. Play's expression editor is an input method that allows you to create more advanced custom interactions. It can be accessed by clicking the plus sign button on any property of any interaction node. One of the most powerful additions to the expression editor is being able to access over 50 object properties, from scale and opacity to layer and progressive blur, padding, percent scroll, translate, and many more. You can also access trigger properties. For
I love
example,
this.
in the native pan trigger, you can access things like location, velocity, translation, and delta. The expression editor makes so many new things possible in Play, and we can't wait to see what you'll create using it. The animate and delay blocks apply animation settings or delays to multiple actions at once. You can customize the delay, duration, and easing curves for the animation block.
Amazing.
There's also the option for an on-complete, which fires a set of actions after the initial animate block is done playing. Loops in
Can you do custom
Play
easy?
allow you to apply one action to all the elements of a page or a stack. In this example, we're changing the rotation, position, and scale of the cards. You can use expressions and functions with loops to stagger animations. And if you add another card to the page, all the animation settings will be applied automatically. We made a number of updates to the UI in Play 2.0.
It's like you guys collaborate with Julian.
When you tap the plus sign, it brings up a new add panel where you can easily search and add triggers, actions, and prefabs. We also created a new panel on the right side of the editor where you can view, search, and easily add interactions. You can now zoom in and out on your interaction canvas and easily drag and drop nodes to move things around with ease as you're designing interactions. You can select nodes using your arrow keys and also use the return key to expand and collapse each node. These are some of the UI updates we made in 2.0. We hope you like them. Play 2.0 features a number of updates to triggers and actions. For triggers, we've merged all the states of a gesture into a single trigger. For example, in the pan trigger, you can now easily switch between while panning, pan began, and pan ended. This makes it easier to switch between different variations of a gesture within a single trigger. We've added a new timer trigger.
This
Instead of
kind
design
of
variable,
custom, like whatever, the design and code melding into one product. Let me see the code.
Hi
Code
everyone. Today,
script.
where a user
What is
can
that?
add or remove elements dynamically while using the prototype. We also added a new set property action to replace any property value. These are just a few of the new triggers and actions we're bringing to Play 2.0. We hope you like them. Thanks so much for watching this video. Play 2.0 has been a year in the making.
Yeah, I wish I'm gonna check it out, but like this is a fantastic demo. Like a lot of stuff makes it like already like gets out for free. People are gonna love to do that. 10 out of 10 credibility, whatever section. Testimonials, real testimonials from Twitter. Very, very cool. Showcase shared native prototypes with app clips. That's very cool. No options, like you can use whatever the Play app. Dominated by traditional design tools. Yep. Interactions and player performance, interruptible, and use Apple's core animation to render your prototype. Very cool. I like they're addressing all the objections. Add interactions, interaction magic with prefab. We just saw that. That's cool. This is very cool. Play lets teams move faster, save time, create high quality mobile products. Independent. You can use better people here, and then no one's gonna read that. You do italics, but bold would be better for skimming or underline. Design your app with native iOS materials. That's very cool. You show everything. This is 10 out of 10. I like that you give like a very cool list with great icons. Real-time Swift. Okay, so this part, code trusted by engineers, this kind of integration is kind of, I think, where this can keep moving because whatever 2.0 sounds like you did a fantastic job with the editors and whatever, but then kind of just moving in IDE territory, I think is, but 10 out of 10 job. Like I can't really find anything wrong with this. But what's the pricing? 12 per editor per month. Play around with more power. 3 projects, 3 app. Okay, so this is kind of the $30 is unlimited. What's the difference here? Advanced interaction, unlimited variables, upload video, export, upload custom fonts, password. This sounds like a bullshit. Like no one's gonna pay it. No one wants this. They want all of this stuff. They want more variables. Like what is this? This is the real product right here. I would split the difference and just make basic, like I'd move all of this stuff here, make that free, then do the pro for $20 or something. And then yeah, whatever. Enterprise proceed at like a discount, $15. I don't know. The pricing I'm not big fan of, but I love